Are you an aspiring dropshipper, eyes gleaming with the prospect of an international empire, but held back by one nagging question: does Spocket ship internationally? If so, you've landed on the right video. We're about to unpack everything you need to know about Spocket's global reach, how it empowers your dropshipping dreams, and what you need to consider to make those international sales a reality. In today's interconnected world, the idea of selling products only within your national borders seems almost quaint. The internet has shattered geographical limitations, opening up a global marketplace teeming with billions of potential customers. And that's where dropshipping platforms like Spocket come into play. They promise a streamlined way to sell products without ever touching inventory. But the true magic happens when you can tap into a worldwide audience. So, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, Spocket does ship internationally. But like all things in e-commerce, the devil is in the details, and understanding those details is key to your success. First, let's clarify what international shipping actually means in the context of Spocket. Spocket itself isn't a shipping company. It's a platform that connects you, the dropshipper, with a vast network of suppliers, many of whom are located in various countries around the globe. When you make a sale on your online store, the order goes to the supplier, and it's their responsibility to pick, pack, and ship the product directly to your customer. This means that international shipping capabilities depend entirely on the individual suppliers you choose to work with on Spocket. This is a crucial distinction. It's not a blanket Spocket ships everywhere statement. Instead, it's a many Spocket suppliers ship internationally reality. This gives you incredible flexibility but also requires a bit of diligence on your part. When you browse products on the Spocket marketplace, you'll find clear indicators of where a supplier is located and, more importantly, which countries they ship to. This information is usually prominently displayed on the product page, often under a shipping or delivery tab. You'll see a list of countries or regions the supplier delivers to, along with estimated shipping times and costs for each. Now, why is this so powerful for your dropshipping business? Because it allows you to truly globalize your reach. Imagine finding a unique, trending product from a supplier in Europe and being able to sell it to customers in North America, Asia, or Australia. This kind of international arbitrage opens up massive opportunities for niche markets and untapped customer bases. You're not limited to what's easily available within your own country, giving you a distinct competitive advantage. However, international shipping also comes with its own set of considerations. Let's delve into those. 1. Shipping costs and times. This is perhaps the most significant factor. International shipping can be more expensive and take longer than domestic shipping. Your customers are generally more patient when ordering internationally, but transparency is key. Clearly communicate estimated delivery times and any associated shipping costs on your product pages and at checkout. Spocket's platform makes it easy to see these figures from the supplier, so you can accurately convey them to your customers. Remember, unexpected shipping fees are a major cause of cart abandonment. 2. Customs and duties. This is where things can get a little more complex. When a product crosses international borders, it may be subject to customs duties, taxes, and import fees levied by the destination country's government. Who pays these fees? This is a critical point to clarify with your customers. Generally, it's the customer's responsibility to pay these charges. It's imperative that you include a clear disclaimer on your website, ideally on your product pages, shipping policy, and FAQ section, stating that customers are responsible for any applicable customs duties or import taxes. Failure to do so can lead to frustrated customers, chargebacks, and a tarnished reputation. Some suppliers on Spocket might offer DDP, delivered duty paid, shipping, where duties are prepaid, but this is less common for dropshipping and usually reflected in a higher product cost. Always assume the customer is responsible unless explicitly stated otherwise. 3. Returns and refunds. International returns can be a logistical headache. Develop a clear and concise international return policy. Will you require customers to ship the item back to the supplier? And who bears the cost of return shipping? What if the item is damaged in transit internationally? It's often more practical to offer refunds or replacements for lower-value items rather than dealing with the complexities and costs of international returns. For higher-value items, you might need to factor in the potential cost of international return shipping into your pricing. 4. Product restrictions. Certain products may be restricted or prohibited from import into specific countries. For example, some countries have strict regulations on electronics, certain chemicals, or even food items. Before you start selling internationally, do your due diligence and research any product restrictions for your target countries. Selling a prohibited item can lead to customs confiscation, fines, and a very unhappy customer. 5. Currency conversion. While your e-commerce platform will handle currency conversion at the point of sale, be aware that fluctuations in exchange rates can impact your profit margins, especially if you're dealing with suppliers in different currencies. Spocket typically displays prices in USD, but it's important to understand how your local currency interacts with that. 6. Customer service for a global audience. Providing excellent customer service across different time zones and cultures can be challenging. Consider offering support during hours that cater to your international customers. Be prepared to answer questions about shipping, customs, and returns with patience and clarity. Language barriers can also be an issue. Consider using translation tools or hiring multilingual support if your volume warrants it. Leveraging Spocket for international success. Spocket offers several features that help you navigate the complexities of international dropshipping. Filter by shipping location. When searching for products, you can filter by ships to specific countries or regions. This is incredibly helpful for finding suppliers who cater to your target international markets. Supplier information. Each supplier profile on Spocket provides details about their shipping policies, average processing times, and return policies. Take the time to review this information before adding products to your store. Best-selling products for international markets. Spocket often highlights products that are popular in various international markets, giving you insights into what's trending globally. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.